YouTube, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. It's time to fix some more shit. So, I got a lady. She has a mower. She said it's been sitting in her shed and she couldn't get it fired up. I know the mower. It was running when I gave it to her. It just means it sat for a long time. Needs a carb cleaning, but she just needs me to basically clean the car and wash it. It's really dirty. She said it was in her shed, but it's really dirty to be in her shed. But enough jaw jacking. Let's get it, guys. All right, here's the mower. Yard Machines, 125cc, Briggs & Stratton 300E series. All right, so she just want me to clean the carb or get it running and clean it. This is a pretty simple gig, basic carb cleaning and a power wash or a wash, whatever. So let's clean it off before we start. All right, give it a little tug. Bam. All right. All right, now give it another little tug. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but you can see the washer popped off. There's two, a black hard plastic and, excuse me, there's two. There's a white hard plastic and a black rubber one, but we need to plug the fuel line. Sometimes it don't move right, give it a little twist. Now it should pop right off. Come on. Bam. Alright. That's just a little vent right here. Or it's not even a vent. You don't even need it, honestly. I don't even think it goes anywhere. Some mowers have it here, some don't. There we go. This one doesn't have, oh wait, it fell down here. Okay. There it is, right there. So those are the two I was telling you about. We'll put that there for now. Now we're about to crack her open. I'm not sure if it's picking it up, but there is some moisture going on in her fuel right here. Right in the corner, you can see that white stuff here. Let me, if I can get the gas out. Yeah, you can see it right there now, up top. So yeah. She got some water in her tank. Okay, now the fun part, guys. Oh, make sure you have all your assembly. So you got your pin there, your float, and your pin, and your flap. Okay, now I'm going to have to get a screwdriver and wedge in here. I like to go 12 o'clock. Bam. This screwdriver is really big. I like to use a small one, but I don't know where it's at. I have a lot of projects going on, guys. A lot of projects. See, I have the moped, the 100cc build for the bike right there, the 212 trike build, my concrete I getting in, my 150cc moped, a tune-up on that one, a rebuild on that one, a bring back to life on that one, and some maintenance on the trailer. So I'm a little busy, bear with me guys. Videos are coming, tools are missing. Come on. I hope I don't break it, because this is a pretty hefty screwdriver. Let me see. Sometimes you could pop it open like this if you get lucky. That I am not. Oh, yep, got it. Bam, guys. Ooh, like a glove. Okay, I'm out of carb cleaner, so today this is what I'm using. Honestly, you just need some aerosol, and you're just gonna give it some love. You want to hit the nose. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. It's really not, but it's clogged. Now you can see through it. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. All right. Remember the orientation? We had a 12 o'clock and a 9 o'clock. Give it a little act right. She's in there. Okay. Now the fun part. See, it's a little dirty. So we're gonna get all that grit out. And that's on my fault. My table's dirty. Okay. And there is right here. Bam. 12 o'clock. Now we're going to rotate to 3. Make sure your pin needle goes in. Mine fell off. But yeah. Bam. 12 o'clock. You see, right there, you're going to make a little boot. And line up your holes. Be careful with your gasket because they swell once you get fuel on them and stuff. So just make sure you get it in as even as you can. Don't put too much force on any of your assembly. Kind of want to use finger strength or line your holes up good enough and get a bolt in there. Okay, as you see, I need a pressure washer. I didn't clean jack squat. Alright, now the fun part. Right here, you put your black gasket in, then snap in your white one. And you're good. Now, okay, now when you install your air box, make sure you install your recirculation nozzle. It's easier if you take the top off, but you can make it happen. There you go, it's in. Oh, it's out of gas. Okay, okay, I pressure washed it. My battery died, but I pressure washed it. It's still dirty. That's it. So let's fire her up because there's no cap on it. Hopefully I didn't put too much water, but I did wait 45 minutes to let the lawnmower dry off. All right, there it is, guys. So the little sputter that's going on, I could adjust it out, but there's no point because it's missing its air filter and the cover, so it's sucking too much air in. She says she lost it, so what can you do? But this is it. It's fired up. She says she needed it running. It wasn't running. I got it up. So thanks for coming, guys. Spot you in the next one.